Welcome back to my channel, guys. Thanks for joining today. We are going to do a really big clean out of my kids' rooms, both my daughter and my son's room. We're gonna go through all of their clothes, purge, refold everything in the Konmari method, and we are also going to clean their floors and just really clean it out and give it a really good deep clean. Today's video is in collaboration with a really good friend, Brittaney from GoodLuckBabies. She's an awesome mom. She has tons of really great videos. She does daily vlogs. She does cleaning videos, cooking videos, and she does a lot of mom videos. You guys check her out. Her link is in the description below. And let her know that I sent you in her comments. I would really love that. Also, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, click like. It really means a lot to me. So amongst this really big mess that you guys can see, I wanted to quickly go over and explain what the Konmari style of folding is. Now, this is a little bit differently. What you're gonna do is you're gonna actually turn it into this little, pants are gonna look like this little sweet thing. And the goal of this is for all of your drawers and your items to be standing. That way, you can see each and every item that you have. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold over in half, do another fold over. Sometimes, depending on the width of the size of your drawers, you can get away with just folding over again. Now I'm gonna go like fold into threes. And now the pants, like I said, should be able to stand up. This is what it's gonna look like. It will actually be color coordinated. But you guys understand that when you're looking into a drawer, you will now be able to see everything. As far as shirts go, let's grab this. Any designs on your shirts, have that facing forward so that way you can see once it's folded. You're gonna fold your shirt into threes. And you're gonna start with the neck right here and you're gonna fold it again, once again, into three. And then your piece of item should be able to stand.
Light me up, don't you stop, 'cause tonight it's on the line. Show me how you get on down, close my eyes, take me for a ride. Got to be you. So come and light me up.
One thing that I'm really curious about is how it's going to affect my son picking out his own clothes in the morning, and if it's going to stay clean when he takes out his stuff. So we're going to see. That's going to be like an experiment for us. Does this method really work? Are the clothes still going to be tidy when my son storms right through?
Baby, you lied.
idea what's going on. I feel like it's almost like I'm missing things, but in reality, I'm not. So from first glance, I like this. I see everything. And this is great. These are all the shorts. These are all the long pants. Her long sleeve shirts, short sleeve shirts, tank tops, pajamas. I mean, there's so much space in here that it's crazy.
You tell yourself you need to move on, but when not in the shadows can ease your broken heart. They turn the volume up, you shut your mind, wanna escape your thoughts for a little while, but when you close your eyes, I'm by your side, I'm by your side.
So we quickly cleaned out the closet, and right here at the top on the left, I actually still have some of our stuff because our closet is so much smaller than the last one, we just have to put it somewhere. And over here at the top, I've got her jackets and her sweaters. We've got her shoes organized. Right here are all of her dresses. Here are skirts, outfits, and then we have our snowsuits. Shoes, socks are in this bin. We keep all the baby wipes here. Like I said, that box is full of like costumes and things.